TAN, Track Assets Now, is a personal safety app developed by Marg. In the current scenario, we have modified the TAN app for COVID-19 Crisis, where lockdown is happening in India and across the globe. This is the simplest and the fastest way for communicating with the concerned authorities in case COVID-19 symptoms are experienced by the citizen, and for the authorities to respond to citizens' SOS call. In case of a new user, one has to register by providing the name and phone number. For OTP access code, enter your 10-digit phone number. Country code is not needed. And on pressing the Send OTP access code button, you will receive an SMS with OTP access code for authentication. You then enter this code into the input field provided, after which you are taken to the main screen of the app, which displays the following buttons that are active for COVID-19. COVID-19, video upload, image upload, track me, SOS. The COVID-19 button is the most important right now. The app seeks information from a user who has symptoms or just needs to report in and check. With name, age, gender, temperature, relationship with the mobile number owner, any pre-existing condition such as a heart disease, diabetes, autism, or any other special needs, then you may mention the same in the text box provided. Symptoms experienced by the user. Whether you are experiencing a runny nose, sore throat, coughing, fever, breathing difficulties. Symptoms since how many days? Whether you have traveled abroad recently, yes or no. If yes, then to which country and for how many days? Once you are through with providing the above information, kindly press the Submit button, which in turn submits the data to the authorities. The data sought helps the authority to register your SOS, that is, the initiation of your case, wherein the concerned authorities will dispatch the health officials to attend you and take appropriate action, be it initial checking, testing, quarantining, admitting to the hospital as the case may be. Video upload. You may record video of your coughing or other symptoms which may help the health officials to determine health severity. Image upload is to provide a facility to upload image of the patient. Many a times during home quarantine, the authorities might ask the suspect patient to upload images at periodic intervals of the day, and also might request neighbors to upload image and press the SOS button so as to alert the police or the health officials if the quarantined person has violated any norms. The Track Me feature is also for persons in home quarantine and also for a healthy person venturing out. Suppose one is approaching a COVID-19 infected area, an alert will be sent to the citizen about the danger and their safety is thus assured. During lockdown, SOS button is for any citizen who needs help, maybe to attend a hospital for dialysis or for shortage of essentials and supplies, etc. One may press the button and the concerned authorities will respond in no time. To track, manage and control the COVID-19 crisis, TAN is the way to go.